before I show you the putter, I want to tell you that this one, for some reason, was a real challenge for me because I kept changing my mind. First, I wanted to give it a Mizuno logo in the face, but then I thought it would look really cool if I blacked it out with like black nickel. That looked like shit, so I changed my mind again and wanted to do a copper logo. That looked pretty cool, but then I thought it would be even cooler if I did a whole thing in copper and kind of patinaed it, give it sort of a shipwreck look with a nice shiny Mizuno logo in the face. That didn't turn out at all. Then I decided to keep the copper colored logo in the face, but do black cerakote and my airbrush kept splattering it, and that looked like crap. So I completely started from scratch, resanded everything, repolished everything, and what I came up with was a really clean, elegant, classy putter. And this thing looks badass. And I don't know that the pictures are going to do it justice, but in person, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So check this out. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. That really helps me out. And if you want to learn how to do this at home, check out my ebook and I'll walk you through how to do this step by step. Check this out.